guys, as you can see here, this is your edited picture, and this one, it was original. This one original, this is edited picture. After that, this one also, it was edited. The background, it was amazing. As you can see, it look was original background. So today I'm going to teach you in how you can edit such kind of picture by using your mobile phone. So I have two mobile application that you can use to edit your picture. First of all, I have this one, Photo Room. After that, I have this one, FacePic. I use two mobile application to edit such kind of picture. First of all, I start with using Face app, this FacePic. After that, I choose the picture that I wanted to change. Maybe I want to choose this one. So I choose this picture and I wanted to change the hair. I wanted to change hairstyle. So I click tick here, and then I check the hairstyle, this one. So maybe I want this braid. I click here and then I'm waiting. After a few seconds, my picture hair will be generated and changed from my original hair to red hair. So let's wait. Did you see? It's very simple. So if you want another style, you scroll, you look what you're looking for, what is style you like, and then you choose. So this, it is our first step. So on this application, even you can change your age. If you want to look like baby, child, young, cool, old man, you can click here and then automatic your picture will be changed. If you want to change the gender, if your picture is for female, you click here, and if your picture for male, you click here. So we are going to save my picture, and this is my picture, and you already saved. So if you want to save in college into two columns to show original and fake picture, you click at college there, and then you save. So you'll see this one, it is your original photo, and this one, it is edited picture. So what to do? We are going to open Photo Room. This Photo Room is used to change the background. If you want to change the background and the background look like pro, use this mobile application. My dear friend, it is amazing application. So if you open, you will see such kind of application look like, and then you click at the start from photo. So our picture is this one. So I click my picture, and then I'm waiting to identify the background, and the automatic to remove the background. So on this feature, we have more option. They give you such kind of background. If you want the color flash, low key, background use blur, background use motion, background with eBay and stuff like that. Create a background. You see such kind of background. So if you want more scene, for myself, always I use AI background. By create your dream scene, you are amazing and you are fantastic background. So I click here, after a few seconds, AI will generate the background, and the background will look so amazing. So if you don't like the background, you search here. You can select, maybe you want the wooden spring, you want the flowers, you want the on a golden light and stuff like that. So for myself, maybe I like this one. As usual, I click here and then I'm waiting. Did you see? So if I don't like and I want more studio background, I can click here at generate more. So AI customize and generate more picture for me. Maybe also I don't like it, click generate more. The good thing is I like on this AI website, not website, AI application, because it generates people they will think this is your original background because it looks so fantastic, and no one will notice that this is a picture with fake background. So maybe I click this one. Did you see? The background is this one. So if you want to adjust your picture or to zoom in or to zoom out, you click at layer here, and then you click, maybe you want at this first picture, this is first picture, and the second one with background. So maybe you want to adjust the first person, you adjust it, maybe you adjust like this one. So you want to maybe to change the background, to add some blur, you click here at blur. Sorry, this is my face. So if you wanted to add background blur, you click at layer here and you click background. If you click background, it means that you are going to edit background. So if we want to add blur, you click at blur there, and then you choose. If you want bokeh, some light on your background, you click bokeh. If you want Gaussian, you wish to have more and more blur, you click on Gaussian. If you want motion, the background it look like it was on motion. So if you want to if you click on bokeh and you adjust here, did you see? Did you see the effect? So on Gaussian, this one. On motion, this one. Oh, look amazing with dread. So you click done. So your picture is this one. So you can adjust your picture like this. Did you see? The picture is just, it was amazing. So if you wanted to maybe to add shadow, you click on shadow and then you click here. After that you wait the shadow to be generated. You can apply this shadow. Your picture will have the shadow. So you can generate or you can add a style of shadow, maybe this one, and then you wait. After that you can apply this one and your shadow should be appear as this picture will look like your original picture. So you save your picture and it's ready to share on your social medias. So even you wanted to change the setting option of saving, you can click here on setting and then you choose. If you wanted PNG, you want to export as WebP, you want to customize the size of picture, you'll do it. So if you wanted to rename the picture, this is an option. So our picture is this one, it is our picture. This one, did you see? The original one is this one. After to edit is this one, and then after to change the background, this one. It's amazing. So people, they will think you have dread, you are Rasta man from Jamaica, and stuff like that. So it's very simple. If you have you have photographer fan, you need to have such kind of application. You can edit your picture good as well. You can share to your customer. You can make money, and people they appreciate because your picture will look more professional. Guys, this is tips, and my name is Jimmy. Always I'll teach you such kind of tips. I'll give you more tips on how you can make money by using AI, by using phone application, and this is my duty. So don't worry, follow me, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and always I'll teach you, I'll give you more tips. You'll be like a pro. So you're most welcome. See you next time. Let me say for today we end up bye.